Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to unblock someone on Likee step by step using the latest version of the app. First of all, launch or open the Likee application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page logged into your account, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside this profile section, go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now, click on Settings from the pop-up menu. Inside the Settings page, click on Privacy. Now, look for Blocked List and tap on it. You will then be able to see the list of users you've previously blocked. Find the user you want to unblock and tap on the little minus icon right next to their name and click on Remove in the pop-up to unblock the person from the block list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock them on Likee. Unblocking someone will allow them to view your public content again, follow you if they choose to, and comment on your video if comments are enabled. So make sure you are comfortable with that before you unblock someone. And that's it. Now you know exactly how you can unblock someone on Likee. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more safe and easy tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.